Yo, what up, y'all?
Serving up the hits.
So it's making this ticking noise and I don't know what the fuck it is. But I've been driving with it for like 500 miles like that. Nothing has happened. So if you guys know what the problem is, give me any ideas.